my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 7 by Galaxy Publication. Now let's start chapter 15, Perimeter and Area. In previous class we have studied about the perimeter and area of plane figures. Perimeter is the distance or boundary around a closed figure, whereas area is the part of plane or region occupied by the closed figure. So perimeter of a regular polygon is number of sides into length of one side. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. L is length and B is breadth. Area of square is side into side. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, where L is length and B is breadth, and length of rectangle area upon breadth, and breadth of rectangle is area upon length. Now example 1. Find the area of a square field whose perimeter is 360 meter. तो हमें perimeter given है, यहाँ से हम side find करेंगे. So side is 90 meter. So area is side into side, 90 into 90, 8100 square meter. Now example 2, find breadth of a rectangular plot if its area is 600 meter square and the length is 24 meter. First of all, see the units. Units are same, both are in meter. So there is no need to convert anything. So we know very well breadth is area divided by length. So 600 upon 24 cut kar denge, that is 25 meter. Now find the perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. 2 into 24 plus 25. 2 into 49 means 98 meter. Example 3. Perimeter of a rectangular garden is 120 meter. If the length is 35 meter, find the breadth and also find the area. Now perimeter is given and the length is given. So we know perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 120 equals to 2 into 35 plus B. So 120 को 2 से divide कर देंगे, that is 60 equals to 35 plus B. So B is 25. So breadth is 25 meter. So area is L into B, 25 into 15. 875 meter square. Now example 4, area of a square garden is same as that of a rectangular garden. If the side of square garden is 75 meter and length of the rectangular garden is 45 meter, then find the breadth of the rectangular garden. So what is given? Area of square garden equals to area of rectangular garden. We know side of square garden, that is 75 meter. We can find its area side into side. 75 into 75, that is 5625 meter square. Okay, so it means area of rectangular garden is also 5625 meter square. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 5625. So breadth is area divided by length, that is 125 meter. Example 5. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 50 centimeter and breadth is 24 centimeter. That same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. Then find the measure of each side. Also find which shape encloses more area. Very good question. एक वायर है जिससे हम रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं और सेम वायर से हम स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं. सो व्हाट टू डू, हम फाइंड करेंगे perimeter of rectangle, because perimeter of rectangle is same as length of wire. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 168 centimeter. इसका मतलब perimeter of square is also 168 centimeter. So we can find side. Side is 168 divided by 4, that is 42 centimeter. So each side of the square is 42 centimeter. So area of square is side into side, 42 into 42, that is 1764 centimeter square. Now find area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 1200 centimeter square. So we can see area of square is more than area of rectangle. So square encloses more area. Now example 6. The breadth of a rectangular field is 20 meter less than its length. Find its dimension if its perimeter is 160 meter. Also find the cost of turfing the field at the rate of ₹4 per square meter. तो हमारे पास क्या गिवन है, ब्रेथ जो है वो लेंथ से 20 मीटर कम है. सो लेट द लेंथ बी x, सो ब्रेथ इज x minus 20. Now perimeter is given 160, so perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. Substitute the value of L and B. So 2 into x plus x minus 20. So that is 2 into 2x minus 20 equals to 160. So now we can find x from here. So x is 50. So length is 50 meter, breadth is 30 meter, 50 minus 20. Now find the area. So area of the field is length into breadth, 50 into 30 means 1500 meter square. So cost of turfing 1 meter square is ₹4. So cost of turfing this area 1500 meter square. So multiply by 4 means answer is ₹6,000. Example 7. The length and breadth of a rectangular plot are in the ratio of 5:3. If perimeter is 144 meter, find its area. So let the length of rectangular plot is 5x and the breadth is 3x. So we know perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B equals to 144. So L plus B क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ से 72. L और B की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. 5x plus 3x equals to 72. So 8x equal to 72. So x equals to 9 meter. So length is 5 into 9, 45 meter, and breadth is 3 into 9, 27 meter. So area is length into breadth. Just calculate it. Okay. Now example 8. The perimeter of a square is 100 meter. The area of rectangle is 9 meter square less than the area of given square. If the breadth of the rectangle is 14 meter, find its length. So perimeter of square is 100 meter. यहाँ से हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे, साइड. साइड इज 25 मीटर. अब जो एक रेक्टेंगल है उसका एरिया 9 मीटर स्क्वायर इस स्क्वायर के एरिया से कम है. सो जस्ट फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर साइड इंटू साइड. 25 इंटू 25, 625 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? 625 माइनस 9, 616 meter square. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth equals to 616. So here breadth is 14 meter given. We can find length. So length is 44 meter. Very good question. Now example 9. The length and breadth of a playground are 70 meter and 42 meter. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of ₹4 per square meter. Also find the distance covered by a boy to take 3 rounds of the field. तो हम सबसे पहले एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. लेंथ इज 70 मीटर, ब्रेथ इज 42 meter. So area is length into breadth 2940 meter square. So cost of leveling 1 meter square is ₹4. So cost of leveling this area multiply by 4, that is 11,760 rupees. Okay. Now perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter find कर लेंगे, that is 224 meter. So distance covered by boy in taking 3 rounds, 3 multiply by perimeter, 3 into this, that is 672 meter. Okay. Now example 10. A window of dimensions 3 meter by 2 meter is fixed on the wall of the dimensions 15 meter and 10 meter. Find the cost of painting the wall at the rate of ₹20 per meter square. यानी हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें लेंथ ऑफ वॉल लिखेंगे 15 मीटर, ब्रेथ इज 10 मीटर, एरिया ऑफ वॉल इज 150 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब इस वॉल में एक विंडो है, हमें वॉल को पेंट करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पूरे वॉल के एरिया में से एरिया ऑफ विंडो को माइनस कर देंगे. सो लेंथ ऑफ विंडो 3 मीटर, ब्रेथ ऑफ डोर 2 मीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ विंडो 3 into 2 6 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ द पेंटेड वॉल 150 minus 6 144 meter square. So cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 20. So cost of painting this area multiply by 20, answer is 2880. Now example 11. Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides with length 50 meter, 30 meter and 24 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 22 per meter. यानी हम पहले फाइंड करेंगे लेंथ ऑफ वायर रिक्वायर्ड टू फेंस द गार्डन, तीनों साइड्स को ऐड कर देंगे 104 मीटर. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग 1 मीटर इज 22 रुपीज. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग 104 मीटर 22 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 104, आंसर इज रुपीज 2288. Now example 12. How many envelopes can be made out of a sheet of paper measuring 225 cm by 95 cm? Supposing one envelope requires a piece of paper with measure 19 cm by 25 cm. हमें फाइंड करने हैं नंबर ऑफ एनवेलप्स. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ शीट डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन एनवेलप. ओके, आप क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ शीट लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ 225 इंटू 95 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एरिया ऑफ वन एनवेलप 19 इंटू 25 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इन दोनों को हम कर देंगे डिवाइड. नाउ कट द नंबर. सो आंसर इज 45. Okay, now exercise 1 based on such type of examples like the third question. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of length 45 meter having perimeter 140 meter. Also find its area. अब हमारे पास क्या गिवन है, perimeter is 140 meter and length is 45 meter. We know perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so what is B? B is perimeter upon 2 minus L. So perimeter 140 by 2, so that is 70 minus 45. So 70 minus 45, that is 25 meter. Okay, now you can try like 9th question. Find the perimeter and area of a plot whose length and breadth are 7 meter 50 centimeter and 4 meter 40 centimeter respectively. तो इन दोनों को हम चेंज कर देंगे या सेंटीमीटर में या फिर मीटर में. सो लेंथ इज 7.50 meter and breadth is 4.40 meter. So you can find area L into B. You can find perimeter 2 into L plus B. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Like here 12th question, the area of a square is 1600 meter square. Find the area of rectangle whose breadth is the same as that of the square and length is 10 meter more than its breadth. So first हमें area of square given है, यहाँ से हम side of square find करेंगे. So what is the side? Side is 40 meter. Okay, so breadth is same, breadth is 40 meter and length of rectangle is 10 meter more, it means 50 meter. Now we can find the area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. You can try remaining questions. Now we are talking about area of parallelogram. We know that a rectangle is also a parallelogram. You see this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, हमने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे perpendiculars draw किए हैं. So here look at the given figures above. We see that if we cut the part 1 of the above figure and place it at part 2, then the given parallelogram ABCD of the figure 1 will have same area as the rectangle of figure 3. Okay, हमने क्या किया है, पैरेललोग्राम को रेक्टेंगल की फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया. सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, this one. So we know area of rectangle is length into breadth, and this is EF into DE. Okay, so EF equals to DC into DE. So side into corresponding height of parallelogram ABCD, yani B into H, where B is the base and H is the corresponding altitude. Now area of triangle, if we have any triangle, then we can complete a parallelogram by taking any one side of the triangle as diagonal of the parallelogram. अगर ट्रायंगल है तो उसको हम पैरेललोग्राम में चेंज कर देंगे लाइक दिस. ओके, अगर ऐसे ट्रायंगल है हमारे पास, सो हियर ए बी को डायगोनल लिया, इट बिकम्स अ पैरेललोग्राम. और अगर ऐसे ट्रायंगल है राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, तो इट बिकम्स अ रेक्टेंगल और पैरेललोग्राम. So, the diagonal of a parallelogram divide the triangle into two congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That's why area of triangle is half of area of parallelogram. और area of parallelogram क्या है? B into H. That's why half into base into height. So, area of any triangle is half into base into हाइट. राइट, जैसे अगर हम ये ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल लेंगे, इसमें बेस हमारा BC है और हाइट AB है, सो इट्स एरिया इज हाफ इंटू BC इंटू AB. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एरिया ऑफ एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो हियर टेक अ ट्रायंगल एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल ABC. नाउ ड्रॉ AD perpendicular to BC. ADC is a right angle triangle and ADB is also a right angle triangle. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC क्या होगा? इन दोनों के एरियाज के इक्वल. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD इज हाफ इंटू BD इंटू AD प्लस हाफ इंटू AD इंटू DC. हाफ इंटू AD कॉमन ले लेंगे, BD प्लस DC and BD plus DC is BC. That's why half into height into base. Now area of an obtuse angle triangle. अगर कोई triangle obtuse angle triangle है तो उसका हम एरिया कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? Here ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. So produce CB to E such that CB को हमने प्रोड्यूस किया E तक, such that AD is perpendicular to CE और BC. जो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल है उसका परपेंडिकुलर कहाँ पे लाई करेगा? एक्सटीरियर, बाहर आएगा. सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB. सो व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC? हाफ इंटू DC इंटू AD माइनस हाफ इंटू AD इंटू DB. हम क्या करेंगे? हाफ इंटू AD कॉमन, DC minus DB, so this is BC only. So half into AD into BC यानी half into height into base. तो same formula हम अप्लाई करेंगे obtuse angle triangle के लिए भी. Now example 13. Find the area of the following parallelogram. So here you can see base is 9 centimeter and height is 5.3 centimeter. So area is base into height. 9 into 5.3, answer is 47.7 centimeter square. Now B part, here base is 6 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter. So area is 6 into 3.5, 21 centimeter square. Okay. Now example 14. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and DA representing parallelogram ABCD. इस parallelogram ABCD में we have two heights DL and BM. Okay. Now if the area of parallelogram is given 1470 centimeter square and AB is 35 and AD is 49, then find BM and DL. So here area of parallelogram is given and we know area of parallelogram is base into height. अब यहाँ पर 2 बेसेस हैं एंड 2 हाइट्स हैं. अगर हम बेस AB लेंगे तो DL इज द हाइट. अगर हम बेस AD लेंगे तो BM इज द हाइट, राइट. सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज बेस इनटू हाइट. सो 1470 इक्वल्स टू 35 इंटू DL, राइट. नाउ यहाँ से हम DL फाइंड कर लेंगे. एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय 35. सो आंसर इज 42 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, अब हम बेस लेंगे 49 और हाइट लेंगे BM. So area is 1470 equals to AD into BM. So here BM is 1470 divided by 49, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now example 15, find the area of the following parallelogram. So A part you can see clearly, base is 9 and height is 5. So area is base into height, 9 into 5, 45 centimeter square. See B part, base is 4 and height is 2. So area is 4 into 2, 8 centimeter square. Now C part, here base is 12 and height is 3.5. So area is 12 into 3.5, 42 centimeter square. Now example 16, ABCD is a parallelogram. BE is the height from B to CD and BF is the height from B to AD. If DC is 12, BE is 7.6 centimeter, find area of parallelogram and length of BF if AD is 8 centimeter. तो हमारे पास ABCD parallelogram है. BE height है B से CD पर. So BE is the height from B to CD, okay, which is given 7.6 centimeter. Okay, now it is given DC is 12 centimeter. तो हमें बेस भी पता है, हाइट भी पता है, so we can find out the area. Base into height 12 into 7.6, that is 91.2 centimeter square. Now here B part, find the length of BF. हमें BF find करना है अगर AD हमारा 8 centimeter है. Now area of parallelogram remains same. Area तो same होगा 91.2. Now base is 8. Find the height. So height is 91.2 divided by 8. That is 11.4 centimeter. Now example 17. Triangle PQR is a right angled at P. PS is perpendicular to QR. If PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 13 centimeter and PR is 12 centimeter. You can see this PQR right angle at P और हमें dimensions given है PQ 5 and here QR 13 and here PR 12. हमें find करना है area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle is half into base into height. See, here P is right angle. So here 1 is base, PQ is base and height is PR 12 centimeter. So area is half into B into H, half into PQ into PR. Put the values, answer is 30 centimeter square. Okay, now here we know area is 30 centimeter square. Now next we have to find the length of PS. अब हमें PS find करना है. So PS के लिए हम क्या लेंगे, बेस लेंगे QR. QR is 13. So area of triangle PQR is half into base into height. So half into QR into PS. Now QR is 13, PS as it is. We know area equals to 30. तो यहाँ से हम PS की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now example 18. The length of base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5. If the area of the triangle is 40 square meter, find the length of its base and height. जब भी हमें डायमेंशंस रेशियो में गिवन होती है हम उसको वेरिएबल की फॉर्म में ले लेते हैं. So let the base is 4x and height is 5x and area of triangle is half into base into height. So here half into 4x into 5x. So this is 10x square. So 40 equals to 10x square. So numbers कट कर देंगे, x square equals to 4, so x equal to 2. So base is 4 into 2, 8 meter and height is 5 into 2, 10 meter. Now example 19. Area of a right angle triangle ABC is 16 square centimeter. Find the length of AB and BC if one leg of triangle is twice of the other, double of the other. So let 1 is x, हमने BC को x ले लिया, AB is twice of x, 2x. So here area is half into BC into AB because right angle B पर है, तो 1 is base and other is the height. So half into x into 2x, so that is 2 cancel, x square and it is given 16. So x is 4, so BC is 4 and AB is 8 centimeter. Now example 20. Triangle ABC is an isosceles with AB equal to AC 7.5 centimeter and BC is 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC and what will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. हमें CE फाइंड करना है और एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फाइंड करना है. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, दिस इज बेस 9 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट वी नो 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो एरिया इज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, हाफ इंटू 9 इंटू 6, 27 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब हमें एरिया पता है, हमें बेस इज 7.5 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है. वी कैन फाइंड द हाइट. So here 27 area equals to half into AB is the base and CE is the height. Okay, AB is 7.5, CE we have to find out. So यहाँ से हम CE find करेंगे, that is 7.2 centimeter. Now example 21. Diagonal of a parallelogram is 20 meter in length and the perpendiculars drawn on it from the opposite vertices are 7.5 meter and 9.5 meter. Find the area of parallelogram. Very good question. You know parallelogram में जो diagonal है वो उसको 2 triangle में divide करेगा. So here we can see area of parallelogram equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, taking AC as base. Now हमें heights भी given है. So what is area of triangle ABC? Half into 20 into 7.5 plus half into 20 into 9.5. Half into 20 हम common ले लेंगे, 7.5 plus 9.5. We can calculate it. Answer is 170 meter square. Now exercise 2 based on such type of examples, like see the first question, find the area of the following parallelograms. Like B part, this is the parallelogram PQRS, one side given and here height given. You know opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so PQ is also 7 centimeter. So what is the area of this parallelogram? Base into height, so 7 into 4, 28 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ऐसे हम रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्रायंगल. सो लाइक हियर यू कैन सी ई पार्ट, दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो वन एज बेस एंड द अदर एज हाइट. तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. सो हाफ इंटू 6 इंटू 8. So answer is 24 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, ऐसे हम थर्ड क्वेश्चन करेंगे, फाइंड द मिसिंग वैल्यू. इसमें हमारे पास क्या है? बेस, हाइट एंड एरिया. सो इन ए पार्ट वी नो बेस, height is missing, area is given. So what is the height? So height is, this is area of triangle. You know area of triangle is A equals to half into base into height. So height is 2 into area upon base. Okay, तो हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. So 2 into 540 upon 40, right? So answer is 27 सेंटीमीटर। ऐसे हम रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स ट्राई कर सकते हैं। नाउ सी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द मिसिंग वैल्यू। हेयर बेस, हाइट एंड एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम। लाइक इन सी पार्ट वी नो बेस 22 सेंटीमीटर, height is missing and area is 170.5 centimeter square. We know area of parallelogram is B into H. So we have to find height means area divided by base. So we can try these parts. Now similarly you can do fifth question, sixth question. Now see the seventh question, find BC if the area of triangle ABC is 36 centimeter square and the height AD is 6 centimeter. Now here area is given and the height is given. Area is 36 centimeter square and height is 6 centimeter. So here you can see triangle ABC, AD is the height. So we have to find base. So base is what? So base is 2 into area upon H, yani 2 into 36 upon 6. So this is 12 centimeter. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. I hope these are clear to you. Now see here, like 13th question, the area of a parallelogram is same as that of a rectangle with dimensions 40 centimeter by 12 centimeter. If the base of parallelogram is 16 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. तो पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. सो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज सेम एज एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ 40 into 12 यानी 480 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Now this is the area of parallelogram and now we know here base is 16 centimeter. So what is the height? Height is area divided by base. Okay, so we can try this one also. I hope questions are clear to you. Now the next topic is conversion of units. Sometimes units are not same, then we have to convert it. Like here we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter are some standard units of length. Now standard units of area 1 centimeter square 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. हम चेंज कर रहे हैं मिलीमीटर में. सो 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter means 100 millimeter square. Now 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter means 10,000 centimeter square. Now 1 kilometer square means 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer means 1000 meter into 1000 meter means this much meter square. Now we define 1 r equals to area of square of side 10 meter 10 into 10 means 100 meter square and 1 hectare means area of a square of side 100 meter means 100 into 100 that is 10,000 meter square. Now example 22, convert the following like the A part 60 centimeter square into millimeter square. तो 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. तो हम क्या करेंगे 60 into 10 means 6000 millimeter square. Now B part 5 hectare in meter square. You know 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. So 5 hectare 5 into 10,000 means 50,000 meter square. Now C part 15 meter square in centimeter square. So 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 15 meter square means 15 into 100 means this much centimeter square. Now D part 4000 centimeter square into meter square. You know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter और अगर हमें सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में जाना है then divide by 100. Here centimeter square है तो divide by 100 into 100. So answer is this much. Okay. Now application of area. Concept of area is used to find area of a park or area of a path in or around a park or field. We use the concept of area to find the cost of whitewashing of walls or for fitting the tiles on the floor, etc. Area is also used to find the area of cross paths or area of the path in or around a field of a rectangular or square park. So see example 23, a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path, also find the area of the garden in hectare. तो हमारे पास क्या है, एक गार्डन है 90 मीटर लेंथ है, 75 मीटर ब्रेथ है और उसके चारों ओर एक पाथ है जो है 5 मीटर वाइड. हमें फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ पाथ एंड एरिया ऑफ गार्डन. सो हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द आउटर डायमेंशन. सो जो आउटर रेक्टेंगल है उसकी डायमेंशन बड़ी होगी इनर रेक्टेंगल से. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द इनर रेक्टेंगल? ए बी इज 90 plus 5 plus 5 means 100 meter. And here this breadth of the outer rectangle is, this is 75 plus 10, 85 meter. So area of outer rectangle 100 into 85, 8500 meter square. Now area of inner rectangle EF into FG यानी 90 into 75, 6750 meter square. So area of path, total area minus area of inner rectangle, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे, 1750 meter square. Okay, and area of garden, we know area of garden is this one and we have to find in hectare. तो हमें क्या करना है, 10,000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So answer is 0.675 hectare. Okay, now example 24, a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of the side. Find the total area of margin. So ABCD is the cardboard and EFGH is the painting, leaving 1.5 centimeter margin along each of the side. So EF is length minus twice of width of margin. So EF is 8 minus 2 into 1.5 यानी 8 minus 3, 5 centimeter. And FG is 5 minus 3 यानी 2 centimeter. So area of margin, area of cardboard minus area of painting यानी 8 into 5 minus 5 into 2, 40 minus 10, 30 centimeter square. Now example 25, a veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find A part the area of the veranda and B part the cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So here ABCD is the room whose length is 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. And EFGH is the outer rectangle whose length is length of room plus double of the width. So here 5.5 plus 2 into 2.25, that is 5.5 plus 4.5, 10 meter. And then breadth, outer rectangle breadth is breadth of room plus 2 times of width of veranda, that is 8.5 meter. So now area of veranda is area of rectangle EFGH minus area of room ABCD. So 10 into 8.5 minus 5.5 into 4, answer is 63 meter square. Now B part, cost of cementing 1 meter square of veranda is rupees 200. So cost of cementing 63 meter square is multiplied by 200, answer is 12,600. Now example 26, two crossroads each of width 10 meter cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter are parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads and find the area in hectare also. हमारे पास क्या है, एक पार्क के अंदर 2 क्रॉस रोड्स हैं, ओके, विड्थ क्या है 10 मीटर. So here AB is 700 meter and BC is 300 meter. So area of crossroads is the shaded area of the rectangular park PQRS and area of rectangle EFGH. Okay, these are the 2 crossroads. But हम इसमें देख सकते हैं while doing this we take the area, this area KLMN 2 times. So to calculate area of cross path, we subtract the area of square KLMN from the sum of area of path PQRS and EFGH. So area of cross path means area of rectangle PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH minus area of this square. So what is area of rectangle PQRS? That is, here its length is 300 and breadth is 10. So 300 into 10, 3000 meter square. And what is area of this road? That is 10 into 700, 7000 meter square. And area of this square is 100 meter square. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे और माइनस 100. सो आंसर इज 9900 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब हम एरिया निकाल लेंगे हेक्टेयर में, डिवाइड कर देंगे 10,000 से. सो आंसर इज 0.99 hectare. Now find the area of park excluding the crossroads, means area of rectangle ABCD minus area of cross path. So 700 into 300 minus 9900, we can find this area and change into hectare. Okay. Now example 27. Through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, 2 roads are constructed which are parallel to its sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find A part the area covered by roads and B part the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square. So ABCD is the rectangular field. So area of crossroads हम कैसे find करेंगे? Area of rectangle PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH minus this area. Okay. So here what is area of PQRS? This is 60 into 3, 180 meter square. What is area of EFGH? That is 90 into 3, 270 meter square. What is area of square KLMN? 3 into 3, 9 meter square. So what is area of crossroads? 180 plus 270 minus 9, that is 441 meter square. Now B part, cost of constructing 1 meter square road is rupees 110. So cost of constructing this meter square multiply. So answer is 48,510. Now example 28. A rectangular piece of canvas measures 25 meter by 16 meter. A triangular piece with base 18 meter and height 12 meter is cut from the canvas. Find the area of the remaining piece. तो हम क्या करेंगे, रेक्टेंगुलर पीस में से इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस कर देंगे. So first find the area of the rectangle PQRS, length into breadth 25 into 16, 400 meter square. Now find the area of triangle piece cut off, half into base into height. So half into 18 into 12, that is 108 meter square. So area of remaining piece, दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. Answer is 292 meter square. Now example 29. Find the area of triangular field whose base is 50 meter and corresponding altitude is 70 meter. Also find the length of the corresponding altitude to the side measuring 112 meter of the same field. हमारे पास क्या है, एक ट्रायंगल है जिसके बेस हमें गिवन है 50 मीटर एंड कोरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट इज 70 मीटर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फाइंड करेंगे, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. half into 50 into 70, that is 1750 meter square. Now we are changing the base. Base is 112 meter and height is BE. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? BE फाइंड करना है. We know area, so area is half into base into height. So this equals to half into 112 into BE. So what is BE? So 1750 into 2 upon 112. So that is this much. 31.25 meter. Now exercise 3 based on such type of examples. So like here, third question, a rectangular park is 90 meter long and 70 meter broad. A path 6 meter wide is to be built around the inside of the park. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the remaining park in hectares. So here we have a rectangular park. Dimensions given 90 meter length and 70 meter breadth. So a path 6 meter is built, 6 meter wide inside. Okay, so here this is 6 meter wide. So you have to find the length of the inner rectangle. This is 90 minus 6, 84 meter, and breadth is 70 minus 6. That is 64 meter. So you can try this one on your own. Okay. Now see 7th question, find the area of the shaded portion. Like A part, in rectangle we have triangles. तो हम क्या करेंगे? पूरे rectangle में से इन triangles के area को minus कर देंगे. See this one, first, second, third and 4. Okay, so area of first triangle is half into 8 into 14 plus area of second triangle half into 6 into 4 plus area of this triangle half into 2 into 4 plus area of this triangle half into 6 into 16. So what will you get? आप कट कर दो. 56 plus 12 plus 4 plus 48. So this is the area of these 4 triangles. फिर हम क्या करेंगे? पूरे rectangle में से इन triangles के area को minus कर देंगे. So this is the area of shaded part. Similarly, you can try remaining questions. Okay, now come to next, circle and circumference of a circle. We must have seen circular shapes around us like bottle cap, bangles, wheels, glass tops, etc. All these objects are circular in shape. The distance around these figures can be calculated using thread or by rolling these circular objects on a plain paper and measuring the distance covered by the object in completing one round. So this is the circumference of the circular objects. The distance around a circular object is its circumference. Let us calculate the circumference of 4 circular objects and then find the ratio of circumference to their diameter. So we have some objects, their diameter, their circumference and then ratio. So here A part bangle, diameter is 7 cm, circumference is 22, ratio is 22 upon 7, 3.14. ऐसे B part circular plate, diameter is 21 cm, circumference is 66 cm, ratio is 3.14. C part bottle cap 2.1 cm, circumference 6.6 cm, its ratio 3.14. Then D part coin 3.5 cm, 11 cm circumference, ratio 3.14. So from the table we observe that the ratio is approximately the same, which is 3.14. So therefore we conclude that circumference of a circle is always more than 3 times its diameter, or circumference of a circular object is approximately 3 times its diameter. The ratio between circumference of a circle and the diameter is constant and it is denoted by pi. Okay, so its approximate value is 22/7 or 3.14. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या आएगा, C/D equals to pi, where C is the circumference and D is the diameter. So we can say circumference equals to pi into D and diameter क्या है 2r, so it becomes 2 pi r, right? So now example 30, find the circumference of a wheel whose radius is 63 centimeter. Find the distance covered by it in taking 50 rounds and pi is 22/7. So circumference is 2 pi r. We know its radius 63 centimeter. So 2 into 22/7 into 63, 7 से 63 कट कर देंगे. So we are getting 396 centimeter. So distance covered in one round, this much, 396 centimeter. So distance covered in 50 rounds. So multiply by 50, answer is 19,800 centimeter. इसको हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, that is 198 meter. Now example 31, find the circumference of a circular ring with diameter 20 centimeter. Pi is 3.14. We know C equals to pi into D. तो हम यहाँ से circumference find कर लेंगे, 3.14 into 20, that is 62.8 centimeter. Now example 32, the length and breadth of a rectangular wire are 32 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. It is bent in the shape of a circle. Find the radius of the circle. यानी जितनी बाउंड्री रेक्टेंगल की होगी उतनी ही बाउंड्री सर्कल की होगी. So first we are finding perimeter of rectangular wire, 2 into L plus B, that is 88 centimeter. Means this wire of length 88 centimeter is bent in the shape of a circle. So here circumference of circle equals to perimeter of rectangular wire. So 2 pi r equals to 88. यहाँ से हम r find कर लेंगे, r is 14 centimeter. Very good question. Now example 33, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter and pi is 22/7. तो हम क्या find करेंगे, circumference, diameter is given 21 centimeter, circumference is pi into d, so 22/7 into 21, that is 66 centimeter. So here length of rope required to fence once, एक बार में हमें 66 centimeter चाहिए and 2 times में हमें 2 into 66, that is 132. So cost of 1 meter wire is rupees 4. So cost of 132 meter wire is 4 into 132, that is rupees 528. Now example 34, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table or cover of a diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of lace cost rupees 15 and pi is 3.14. यहाँ पर हमें diameter given है 1.5 meter. हम क्या find करेंगे, circumference, pi into d, that is 4.710 meter. Now cost of 1 meter lace is rupees 15. हमें इतनी लेस चाहिए तो हम multiply by 15. So answer is rupees 70.65. Now example 35, find the perimeter of the given figure which is semicircular including its diameter. हमें इस semicircle का जिसमें diameter भी include है उसका perimeter find करना है. So perimeter of the figure is diameter plus half the circumference of circle. So diameter is 10 plus circumference of circle is pi into d. So half है तो हम लेंगे pi d upon 2. Okay. Now substitute the values. So answer is 25.71 centimeter approximately. Now example 36, the inner and outer circumference of a circular ring is 44 centimeter and 88 centimeter. Find the width of the ring. So here let R1 be the radius of inner ring and R2 is the radius of the outer ring. तो हमें इनर रिंग की सरकमफ्रेंस पता है 44 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहाँ से हम R1 फाइंड कर लेंगे. सो R1 इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. Now we know circumference of outer ring is 88 centimeter. So from here we can find radius R2. So that is 14 centimeter. So width of the ring is R2 minus R1 means 14 minus 7 centimeter. Now example 37. The circumference of a compact disc is 220 centimeter. Find the radius. So circumference is pi into d. So 220 equals to 22 by 7 into d. तो यहाँ से हम d फाइंड कर लेंगे. d is 70 centimeter. Radius is half of diameter, that is 35 centimeter. Example 38. If the ratio of the diameter of two circles is 2:5, find the ratio of their circumferences. So let the diameter of one circle is 2x and the other circle is 5x. So now C1 circumference of first circle pi into d, pi into 2x, 2 pi x, and C2 circumference of second circle pi into d, pi into 5x, 5 pi x. Now ratio of their circumferences 2 pi x ratio 5 pi x, कट कर देंगे pi and x 2:5. 2 is to 5. Okay. Now example 39. The diameter of cast iron is 70 centimeter. A part. Find the distance covered by it in 5 rounds. So distance covered in one round is equal to circumference. We know diameter is 70 centimeter. So distance covered is pi into d. So pi into 70 means 220 centimeter. We have to find distance covered in 5 rounds. So 220 into 5, 1100 centimeter. Now B part, find the number of turns required to cover a distance of 1540 meter. यानी इतनी डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए कितने राउंड्स लेने पड़ेंगे. सो नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन इन कवरिंग 200 सेंटीमीटर equals to 1. Number of revolution in covering 1 centimeter 1 upon 220. So number of revolution in covering 1540 meter, इसको हम convert कर देंगे सेंटीमीटर में, multiply by 100. So here cut the numbers, cut the zeros. So answer is 700. So tire will take 700 revolution in covering 1540 meter. Now example 40. The minute hand of circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So here it is given length of the minute hand is 15 centimeter. It means radius is 15 centimeter. So distance covered by minute hand to move in 60 minutes. Circumference of circle of radius 15 centimeter. Yani 2 pi r. So we can apply the values 2 into 3.14 into 15 and answer is 94.20 centimeter. Okay. Now exercise 4, based on such type of examples like see question number 4. The diameter of a tire is 77 centimeter. Find the distance covered by it in 10 rounds. It means in one round distance covered is equal to circumference pi into d. So 22 by 7 and d is 77. So that is here 242 centimeter is distance covered in one round. So in 10 rounds 242 into 10, that is 2420 centimeter. Okay. Now see here like the 6th question. A circular flower bed has a diameter of 100 centimeter. A metal boundary costing ₹2 per meter placed around it. Now A part, length of the metal boundary that will be required to fence the flower bed twice, 2 times. यानी हम क्या find करेंगे? So now find circumference, that is pi into d, and pi is given 3.14 into 100. that is 314 centimeter in one round. So 2 times, so multiply by 2, that is 628 centimeter. Okay. Now B part, cost of metal boundary required to fence it twice. अब हमें cost find करनी है. We know 1 meter के लिए ₹2. So 628 centimeter means 6.28 meter. Multiply by 2. So I hope you can complete this question. Now here, like 11th question, from a square cardboard of area 196 centimeter square, a circle with biggest area is cut out. So find the area of the remaining cardboard. एक कार्डबोर्ड है हमारे पास जो स्क्वायर शेप में है और उसमें से हम एक सबसे बड़ा सर्कल कट आउट कर रहे हैं. सबसे बड़ा सर्कल कट आउट करना मीन्स इट्स डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू side of the square. So here we have area of the square 196. So what is the side? Side is 14 centimeter. यानी diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter. यानी radius is 7 centimeter. So what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? पूरे स्क्वायर में से सर्कल के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे. So I hope you can try this one on your own. Now the next we are talking about area of circle. In this chapter we have learned to find the area of triangle, rectangle and parallelogram. Now let us try to find the area of a circle. Consider a circle with center O and radius R. Take any 2 points A and B on the circle in figure given alongside. हमने एक सर्कल लिया है, सेंटर O है, रेडियस R है, and take any 2 point A and B. Now these points are connected by a part of the circle called arc, which is a curve. But if we divide the circle into a large number of parts, say 24, then arc AB becomes almost a line segment AB. So here this is the line segment. So here we have divided the circle into 24 equal parts as shown in figure 1. So now arrange these 24 parts as shown below in figure 2 and you will get approximately a rectangle. हमने circle के 24 equal parts की and then arrange किया, then we are getting a rectangle. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth, so it becomes pi r. Length is pi r into r, यानी pi r square. So area of circle is pi into r square. Now here example 41, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. Find the area of the path. So here to find the area of path we will calculate the area of the outer circle and then subtract area of the inner circle. हमारे पास एक सर्कुलर फ्लावर बेड है जिसके चारों ओर हमने एक पाथ कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है, that is 4 meter wide. Now we are getting two circles, one is outer and the other is inner. So what is the area of path? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So we must know their radius. We know here 66 meter is the diameter of the inner circle. So its radius is 33 meter, right? And now how we can find the radius of the outer circle? We know this width is 4. So radius of outer circle is 33 plus 4, that is 37 meter. So area of path, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle means flower bed. So we can apply the formula pi r square, pi into 37 square minus pi into 33 square, pi common. So we can calculate it. So answer is this one. Now example 42, find the area of a circle whose radius is 8 centimeter. Pi is 22 by 7. We know pi r square, 22 by 7 into 8 into 8. Just calculate it. Now example 43, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of the circle. हमारे पास circumference है 2 pi r, that is 31.4. हमें radius find करना है और circle का area. So here you know pi की value हम लगा देंगे 3.14. So now we can calculate r from here. So r is 5 centimeter and we know area of circle is pi r square. So 3.14 into 5 into 5, that is 78.5 centimeter square. Now example 44, the given figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find, एक rectangular lawn है जिसके सेंटर में हमारे पास क्या है, एक circular flower bed है. So now here A part, the area of the whole land. So here what is given, ABCD is a rectangular lawn having length 10 meter, breadth 5 meter. 10 meter length, 5 meter breadth, और जो अंदर सर्कल है its radius is 2 meter. So area of the whole land means area of rectangle, length into breadth 50 meter square. Now find B part, here the area of the flower bed. So area of flower bed means area of circle, that is pi r square. So pi into 2 into 2 means 3.14 into 4, that is 12.56 meter square. Now C part, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, यानी पूरे लॉन में से हम फ्लावर बेड के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे. सो आंसर इज 37.44. नाउ हियर D part, the circumference of the flower bed means 2 pi r. So we know 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14 into 2, answer is 12.56 meter. Now example 45, a circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. So will the sprinkler water the entire garden? तो हमें चेक करना है. So area of garden is 314 meter square. So area that can be sprinkled by sprinkler, that is pi r square. We know its radius is 12. So 3.14 into 12 into 12, which is 452.16 meter square. यानी ये एरिया ज़्यादा है इस एरिया से, यानी जो स्प्रिंकलर है वो उसको कवर करेगा. So we see that area sprinkled by sprinkler is greater than area of the circular flower garden. So sprinkler can water the entire garden. Now example 46. Now example 46, a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of leftover aluminium sheet? यानी area of square minus area of circle. So area of square is side into side, 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square. Area of circle is pi r square, radius is given 2 centimeter, that is 12.56 centimeter square. So area left on the aluminium sheet, area of sheet minus area of circle, minus कर देंगे 23.44 centimeter square. Now example 47, a square metallic frame has perimeter 308 centimeter. It is bent in the shape of a circle. Find the area of the circle so formed. So हमें given है perimeter of frame 308 centimeter जो square shape में है. इसका मतलब क्या है, जो circumference of circle है that is equal to the perimeter of frame. So 2 pi r equals to 308. यहाँ से हम radius find कर लेंगे. Radius is 49 centimeter. Now you can find area of circle pi r square, 22 by 7 into 49 into 49. Answer is 7,546 centimeter square. Now example 48, which figure has larger shaded portion, first or second? तो फर्स्ट में हमारे पास क्या है, स्क्वायर के अंदर वी हैव अ सर्कल. सो व्हाट टू डू, फर्स्ट फाइंड दिस एरिया. सो शेडेड एरिया इज एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. नाउ यू कैन सी डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज 4 मीटर, इट्स रेडियस इज 2 मीटर. So its area is pi into 2 into 2. We can calculate it. So that is 3.44 centimeter square. Now for second figure, what to do? हमें क्या करना है, पूरे स्क्वायर में से इन चारों सर्कल्स के एरिया को माइनस कर देना है. So see here, diameter of one circle is 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. So radius is 1 centimeter. Radius of each circle is 1 centimeter. So area of one circle is 3.14 into 1 into 1, that is 3.14. So area of 4 circles, 4 से multiply कर देंगे, 12.56 centimeter square. So shaded area, area of square minus area of 4 circles means 16 minus 12.56 centimeters, that is 3.44 centimeter square. So shaded area of both the figures is same. Example 49, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. हमारे पास एक सर्कुलर शीट है जिसका रेडियस है 14 सेंटीमीटर, उसमें से हम 2 सर्कल्स और एक रेक्टेंगल को रिमूव कर रहे हैं. So let us find out. Radius of circular card is 14 centimeter. It means area of circular card is pi r square, that is 616 centimeter square. Now area of two smaller circles, 2 into area of one circle. So 2 into 22 by 7, its radius is given 3.5 into 3.5. So that is what? That is 77 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 3 centimeter square. अब 616 में इन दोनों के एरिया को हम माइनस कर देंगे. So that is 616 minus 80 means 536 centimeter square. Now example 50, Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent in the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of the side? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Pi is 22 by 7. So here what is given? Length of wire equals to circumference of circle. It means 44 equals to 2 pi r. यहाँ से हम r find कर लेंगे. So r is 7 centimeter. So now length of wire equals to perimeter of square. So 4 into side. So side is 11 centimeter. Now area of circle of radius 7 centimeter, pi r square. So that is 154 centimeter square, and area of square is side into side 121 centimeter square. Now you can see area of circle is more than area of square, and how much? दोनों को minus कर देंगे, 33 centimeter square. Now exercise 5, based on such type of examples, see question number 2. Find the area of a circle whose circumference is like B part 88 centimeter. हमारे पास क्या है? circumference यानी 2 pi r, 88, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So we can find r from here. r क्या आ जाएगा? 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So r is 14 centimeter. So what is area? Area is pi r square, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So we can calculate it. Okay, very simple. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now see sixth question. If the area of a circle is 616 centimeter square, find its circumference. तो आप area से क्या find करेंगे? Radius. Area equals to 616 centimeter square. You know area is pi r square equals to 616. So 22 by 7 into r square equals to 616. So r square equals to 616 into 7 upon 22. Cut it by 11. So आपके पास क्या आएगा? 28 into 7. So you can find r from here. Then you can find its circumference 2 pi r. Okay. Now see ninth question, find the area of the smaller circle. So here we can see two circles, one is outer and the other is inner. This is the smaller one. We know radius of the outer circle 11 centimeter and this width is 4 centimeter. So we have to find the area of inner circle. तो इसका हम पहले radius find करेंगे. This is 11 minus 4, 7 centimeter. So what is area of inner circle? Pi r square, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. The area of a square of side 4 centimeter is, you know area is side into side, so that is 16 centimeter square. Okay, now here D part, if a circle touches all the sides of a square, then the circle is said to be inscribed in the square and its area is smaller than that of the square. Okay, similarly you can try remaining statement. Now question number 2, write T for true and F for false. You can try these statements. I hope these are clear to you. Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 7 by Galaxy Publication.